2010 Range Rover Sport. I'm gonna take the radio out. First thing we're gonna do is grab this bottom of the steering wheel column. You simply pull it. It pops out, no screws. This little tabbies right here on the bottom. That hooks back in here. So when you put it back in, it lines up to that hook. Once you're done that, you come over this way, open the glove box, and you grab this one here. You just pull hard. No screws again. You pull hard. It's snug on this side. It pulls out. Alright, there are 3 plugs on the back of these center pieces right here. One here, one here, one there. And you just simply pull it. Remove torque screws. There are number 20. And you should be able to remove the display part of it. So once you have these 2 screws out, this pops out, and underneath there are screws here. You have to take that out. Should be able to take that out. Play. Oh yeah.